Hello students, very good morning to you all. As you know, my name is Arvind Rai and I am a subject teacher of social studies, and this video is helpful for class 5th students. Okay, students, in today's video we are going to start our new chapter, that is weather and climate. Okay, previously also in the month of April I had completed all these chapters, okay, but after the summer vacations we are starting our revisional work for your exercises as well as chapters. So this is a revisional video for chapter 3rd, which is weather and climate. Okay, it is chapter number 3rd on page number 17. Okay, we are going to start our chapter, that is weather and climate. Okay, weather and climate. Now see on the page number 17. Okay, at the top left corner it is written learning outcomes. Okay, learning outcomes. Okay, what is the learning outcome of this chapter? This we are going to first know that what is the learning outcome of this chapter. First point, it is differentiate between weather and climate. Okay, first point is differentiate between, okay, weather and climate. Okay, is it clear to you? Differentiate between weather and climate. This is our first point we are going to cover in this chapter. After that, list the elements that make up weather and climate. List the elements. List the elements that make up weather, and, okay, that make up weather and climate. After that, we have third point, explain the factors that determine climate. Third point is explain the factors that determine, okay, explain the factors that determine, okay, that determine climate. Okay, now fourth point is identify the 3 heat zones of the earth. Fourth point is identify the 3 heat zones of the earth. Okay, identify the 3 heat zones of the earth. So these are the some topics, or we can say the topics in our heading, that is learning outcomes. In under this heading we are going to cover all these topics. Okay, first one is differentiate between weather and climate. Okay, what is the difference between weather and climate, how we are going to make a difference, that what is weather and what is climate. So we will be able to understand after the completion of this chapter. Okay, after that list the elements that make up weather and climate. Okay, what are the elements that make up weather and climate? After that, explain the factors that determine climate. What are the factors that determine climate? Okay, on what basis we say that this atmospheric condition or that any particular atmospheric condition is determined as climate. Okay, after that, identify the 3 heat zones of the earth. Okay, on the basis of falling of the sun rays on the earth, how we are going to find, okay, how we are going to determine the 3 heat zones of the earth. Okay, so these are the points we are going to cover in this video. Now see on page number 17, while starting this chapter, one image is being shown of brother and sister. Okay, sister is studying on her study table and brother is seeing outside the window. What he is saying, oh no, what terrible weather, we will not be able to play football today as well. Okay, he is saying that oh no, what terrible weather, ठीक है, कितना खराब मौसम है, आज भी हम लोग फुटबॉल नहीं खेल पाएंगे. We will not be able to play football today as well. ठीक है. So after that his sister says, I have never seen so much rain in my life. Okay, I have never seen so much rain in my life. This must be because of climate change. Okay, this place is usually so dry. ठीक है, वो लड़की क्या बोलती है, I have never seen so much rain in my life. मैंने अपने जीवन में कभी इतनी बारिश नहीं देखी. ठीक है, this must be because of climate change. हो सकता है ये क्लाइमेट चेंज के कारण हो रहा हो. ठीक है, क्लाइमेट को हिंदी में जलवायु बोलते हैं. ठीक है, हो सकता है ये जलवायु परिवर्तन के कारण हो रहा हो. ठीक है, आफ्टर दैट दिस प्लेस इज यूजुअली सो ड्राई. ये प्लेस अक्सर बहुत ही ड्राई प्लेस मानी जाती थी, बहुत ही सूखी जगह मानी जाती है. एंड दिस मच ऑफ रेन इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ क्लाइमेट चेंज. ओके, सो वेदर इज कॉल्ड, वेदर को हिंदी में हम मौसम बोलते हैं और क्लाइमेट को हिंदी में जलवायु बोलते हैं. ओके, इज इट क्लियर टू यू? नाउ सी ऑन पेज नंबर 18. ओके, सी ऑन पेज नंबर 18. Here Arun uses the word weather and Vidya uses the word climate. Okay, the boy uses the word weather and the girl uses the word climate. Okay, do the two words mean the same thing or are they different? Okay, do the both words they mean same or they are different? Weather is the state or condition of the atmosphere at a place over a short period of time. Okay, weather is the state or condition of the atmosphere, okay, at a place over shorter period of time. ठीक है, किसी भी एटमॉस्फेयर का जो कंडीशन होता है, ओके, एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशंस, ओके, दे आर फॉर शॉर्ट टाइम ऑफ पीरियड. ठीक है, एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशन किसी प्लेस के ऊपर छोटे समय के लिए होती है, कम समय के लिए होती है. सो दैट टाइप ऑफ कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड वेदर. यानी वी से इट वेदर और वी कैन से यहाँ का मौसम ऐसा है कि अभी थोड़ी देर में धूप हो सकती है. ठीक है, कुछ देर में उसके बाद बारिश भी हो सकती है. सो on short interval of time, okay, on short interval of time atmospheric condition changes. So this is called weather. It can change very few hours in the course of a day. Okay, a place that is experiencing a violent storm right now might have had calm sunny weather just a few hours ago. Weather can be described as hot, cold, windy, humid, cloudy और rainy. ठीक है, यहाँ पे क्या कह रहा है कि हो सकता है अभी जो मौसम है उसके कुछ घंटों के पहले कुछ और मौसम रहा हो, या आने वाले कुछ घंटों के बाद कुछ और मौसम होगा. ठीक है, so this is called weather. Weather can be described as hot, cold, windy, humid, cloudy or rainy. So these are the words used for atmospheric conditions. Okay, or we can say it weather. Now climate. Climate on the other hand is the average weather condition over a large area across a longer period of time, that is approx 30 years or more. Okay, for example we can say that North India has an extreme climate with hot summers and cold winters, or that the coastal plains of India have an equable climate with no marked seasonal changes. Unlike weather, the climate of a region stays constant over long periods of time. ठीक है, जिस तरह से मौसम एक शॉर्टर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए होता है, ठीक है, कुछ घंटों के लिए होता है, आफ्टर दैट वेदर चेंजेस, बट इन केस ऑफ क्लाइमेट इट इज नॉट सेम एज वेदर. मौसम की तरह से क्लाइमेट नहीं होता है. ठीक है, किसी भी प्लेस के लिए, लार्जर प्लेस के लिए, वहाँ का जो क्लाइमेट होता है वो अप्रॉक्स 30 इयर्स के बेसिस पे डिसाइड होता है, और उससे भी ज़्यादा हो सकता है. ठीक है, 25 से 30 सालों के लिए या उससे भी ज़्यादा अगर किसी लार्जर एरिया में एक तरह से ही मौसम रहता है फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. ठीक है, एक जैसा ही मौसम फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम रहता है, बहुत लंबे समय के लिए रहता है. सो दैट एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशन इज described as climate of that particular place or region. Okay, clear है सभी लोगों को? So after that students, we are going to clear points on the basis of weather, climate, their elements, factors. Okay, so these points we are going to elaborate. Okay, we are going to learn more facts regarding weather and climate in our next video. Okay, in this video it's up to here only because we don't have much time. Okay, so we'll meet up in our next video with some new points, elements, factors regarding weather and climate. Okay, thank you so much.